Divide page number 120 and 121. Today we are going to do some questions given on page number 120 and 121 in this video. You have to complete all these questions in your classwork copy, and remaining question you have to do as homework. So let's see. 715 divide by 4. 715 divide by 4. Now, how we can do this question? See children, here the number is 715, that is dividend, and dividend you have to put inside this symbol and 4 should be outside. Clear? It means that you have to read the table of 4 till you are not getting the number 7 or the number just before 7. Let's write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now here we have find that 8. When we multiply 4 two times, we get 8, which is more than this 7, which is given on the 100 place. This is 100 place, no? 7 is in 100. This is ones, tens, 100. So 7 is in 100 place, and this number 8 is more than this 7. So what you have to do, you have to go one time only. So 4 ones, only 4 ones you have to write. That is 4 ones is 4. Because if you are writing 8, that will be more than 7, and this is not the rule of division, and it is not subtracted by the number. Okay, dividend. Now subtract it. Take out your 7 finger and minus, cut, fold your 4 fingers. Remaining will be 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this is 3. Now this 3 is smaller than this divisor. Now what you have to do? You have to bring down the number given on tens place, that is by putting this arrow, that is 1. Clear? Now again you read the table of 4 till you are not coming near the number 31, but it should not more than 31. Okay, you should reach to the number 31 in the table of 4, but it should not more than 31. So here we were writing the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. So at 4 eights are 32, 4 eights is 32, that is more than the number 31. So you have to go 7 only 7 times. So 4 sevens are, that is 28. Now you subtract it. 1 minus 8, it is not possible to subtract from 1 8. So you have to borrow from 3. Here it will be 11 and here is 2. Now 11 minus 8. So you can take out your 11 finger and close 8, or you can count from 8 to 11. So after 8 what comes? 9, 10, 11. So 3 is left and 2 minus 2 is 0. Clear? Now what is left here? 4 is left here. Now you have to bring down this 4. Now again read the table of 4. You should come near to the number 34. Here children, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are is 36. Table, you should know the table. Otherwise you won't be able to do this division. So you have to go 36 is more than 34. This 34. So you have to go 8 times solely. That is 4 8s are 32. Now you subtract it. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now your this remainder is 2. Here the quotient is 178 and remainder is 2. Clear? Now we'll go to the next question. You have to divide 999 by 8. Now you know the method to write. This is 9, 9, 9, and you have to divide by 8. So you have to read the table. 8 is the divisor, so you have to read the table of 8. If you goes 8 twos are 8 two times, then it will be 16, and 16 is more than this 100 place. So you have to go one time only. This way also we can do this division. Okay. So 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Now you have to bring this 9 down. Do it neatly. Okay. Now read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. So 24 is more than the number 19. So you have to go 2 times only. 8 twos are 16. You can write the table. Always write the table and do it. Okay. Now 9 minus 6, that is 3. Now you have to bring down this 9. That is left. Now read the table of 8 again. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. 40 is more than 39. So you have to go back. 8 fives are 40, 8 fours are 36. Now subtract it. 36. Okay. 9 minus 6, 3. When you get the number, this is divisor, no? If this remainder is less than the divisor, means 3 only, so you have to stop there. Here, the number, because it is the lowest number, it will not come on the table of 8. So this 3 is the remainder, and quotient is 124, and remainder is 3. Clear? Now we'll do some questions from page number 121, and here the number is 113. 113 by 2. Now divide 113 by 2. Now you have to read the table of 2. Here children, you had seen this 1. This 1 is the less than this number divisor. 1 is less than the divisor. There are different rules. Okay. So this 1 will not come on the table of 2. This 1 will not come on the table of 2. So you have to take two numbers, two digits, first two digits, that is 100 plus tens. 100 plus tens. Clear? So this thing you have to remember why we are taking these two digits, first two digits. Okay, I am writing it again. Yeah. Yes. So you have to take first two digits. That's why I am not taking 1. I am taking these two digits together, that is 11. So read the table of 2 till you are not getting the number 11 or less than 11. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. 12 is more than 11. So we'll go 5 times. 2 fives are 10. Now subtract. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now you have to bring down 3. Now read the table of 2 and come near 13. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. 2 sevens is 14, which is more than 13. So we'll go 6 times only. 2 6 are, here I am not able to write. 2 6 are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. This is your remainder and this is your quotient. Clear? One more question I will do. This is 113, okay? 83 by 8. This is not 83. You have to divide. Which question I have taken? 283. 283 by 8. Okay, let me do. This question I have taken from your book only. Which questions are left that you have to do as homework? You have to do it yourself. Now, what you have to do? Read the table of 8. Because 2 is less than the number 8, remember all these things, children. Okay, watch the video 2 to 3 times. 2 is less than the number 8. So, we'll take 2 digits. That is 100 plus tens. 100 plus tens, that is 28. Now, you have to find out the number 28 or the nearest number which is less than 28 in the table of 8. Okay. So read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 16, 8 is 24, 8 fours are 32. So 32 is more than 28. So we'll go 3 times only. 8 threes are 24. Now 8 minus 4, 2. Sorry, 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4. Now bring 3 down. Now again read the table of 8 and you have to reach near the number 43 or 43. Okay, near the number which is should be less than 43 or the number 43. Let's start the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. 8 6 is 48 which is more than 43. So we'll go 5 times. 8 5s are 40. Now 3 minus 0, 3. If you minus any 0 with the number, we get the number itself. Okay, 0 means nothing. So take out your 3 finger and try to minus 0. Are you able to? No, no. So 3 will remain with you. So this 3 is your remainder and 35 is your quotient. Clear, children? So do all the questions given on page number 120 and 121. Watch the video 2 to 3 times. Try to understand. If still you have the doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.